Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a GMC Sierra headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, which include a new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Before you start, always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. For your safety, remember to wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and safe bulb replacement. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. You will see two retaining pins positioned at the top of the headlight assembly. Take your flathead screwdriver and carefully pry up the center of each of these pins. Once the centers are up, you can pull the entire retaining pins out. With the pins removed, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward to detach it from the vehicle. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight bulb. Next, rotate the old bulb approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing, then pull it straight out. Now, take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise until it is securely locked into position. This ensures a proper fit. Finally, let's put everything back together. Firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed headlight bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original slot on the vehicle until you hear it click into place. Reinsert the two retaining pins, pushing their centers down to secure the assembly. Before you hit the road, turn on your headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working perfectly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.